Well, hey there, I'm Jay. Welcome to my humble booth here. In voiceover, people often say that your voice is your instrument. And it's true. It's the thing that we use to do what we love to do, to perform, to act, connect with people, tell stories, and make a living doing so. So I think it's safe to say that a fair amount for us as voiceover performers rides on making sure that this stays healthy, in tip-top shape, and is able to perform sustainably, consistently, and sound pretty darn good at all times. It's a job requirement almost. And there are many, many things that play into making sure that you stay healthy. But one thing that I use on a daily basis is warming up. I'll start my day with a warm-up, and in those warm-ups, this is my secret weapon, as the title of the video denotes. It is simply one of those back massagers. And the reason why I use this every day or something like it, I have another one similar, is the muscles in your neck, your jaw, your face, your head, and your throat all contribute very significantly to the sound of your voice. And by using one of these, it makes warming up not only pleasant, but consistently effective, because by massaging here, the back of my neck, the sides of my neck, these jaw muscles, the muscles in my temple, even sometimes my sinuses, my brow muscles, my tongue here, all of those muscles being warmed up, loosened up before I get in my booth and start working makes sure that I'm starting off in a healthy place and that I'm starting off at a consistent place. Because if I wake up and use the, hey, I just woke up voice, yeah, it may sound like, ooh, sexy, sultry, gravelly for like 20 minutes, and then I warm up and it sounds like me normally, which isn't consistent. It wouldn't be viable for a professional job. So just like any professional athlete, before you get up into the game, you show up, start doing your thing. If a FIFA soccer player or football player, or American football player, basketball player showed up without warming up, they'd be in trouble. They might hurt themselves and they wouldn't be performing at the top of their game. It's the same thing with voiceover. And this helps me get from A to B really quickly and consistently in a great way. And beyond the muscles in my face, neck, body, etc., your vocal cords, this helps me out a lot with that in particular. Your vocal cords are insulated within your larynx. It's that hard bit right here. For men, it's the Adam's apple. For women, you can feel it. And you can't access your vocal cords externally, which ultimately is a good thing. They're sensitive and important. You don't want them to be in trouble if this happens. So what this does is it helps after a long session or before going into the booth for the day, if I just do this simply. And you'll hear that I've got an extra little vibration, because normally it just sounds ooh. And that extra little vibration, as your vocal cords vibrate against each other, they look kind of like this. If you find slow-mo video here on YouTube, it's pretty interesting to watch, I think. But as they vibrate against each other, having that extra vibration provided by this guy, in my experience, anecdotally, and with other folks and other peers and colleagues of mine, it really helps in terms of recovery and making sure that your vocal cords are feeling healthy. It just feels really nice to have that extra little massage at the end of the day. And it helps me to make sure that I'm staying healthy. And if you decide to use one of these or something similar to this yourself, just a couple words of caution and a tip really is be gentle. Listen to your body. If something feels weird or off or you're not comfortable with it, back off. It's totally fine. This is something that helps me and some of my colleagues, but it might not be right for you, so just take that with a word of caution. Also, be gentle. This isn't a shiatsu deep tissue, really get in there and grind it out type thing. It's just a gentle, warm things up, check in with yourself, and a really gentle massage of the vocal cords if you use it that way. But aside from that, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about this or anything else voiceover related, drop me a line below or on my website, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And until the next one of these, be well. I'll see you there. Toodles.